catch, Jason. Oh dear, frisbee throwing's not my forte.
Maybe you just need to find out a little more about how frisbees work.
I think you're right. Perhaps I could learn a thing or two from what Angelique's about to do.
We always play the same old game. I think it's time for a change. I'm going to make a frisbee. The trouble is, I'm not really sure what makes a frisbee work well. So here goes. Paper plates have the right shape, and they sort of fly. I'll stick two of these together to make a wing shape. Sticky tape around the edges, and there we are. Time for a test flight. Hey! Yes, it's airborne. Give it a flick. Not bad, but it seems to wobble about a bit. I think I need to improve the design.
Yep, whizzing through the air at high speed is more difficult than it looks, as Angelique is finding out with her fancy frisbees.
My first frisbee was okay, but I think it could do with more lift. I've seen real frisbees with holes in the middle. So if I draw a circle around a bowl and cut out the middle, same with the other, join them together and reinforce them with more tape. This looks far more like a frisbee, so I hope it's going to fly. We have takeoff. Catch! Well, it's a bit better. It gets a bit of height, but it doesn't seem to fly very flat and smooth. I'm sure I can make a better one.
Don't give up, Angelique. Scientists are still using frisbee shapes to build that ultimate aircraft, the flying saucer. The circular wing shape is supposed to make for super smooth flight. But let's face it, a ride in a flying saucer is not everyone's cup of tea.
And backyard know-how is exactly what Angelique's applying to the new design of her super-duper frisbee.
2 frisbees made so far today. The solid paper plate one was pretty basic, but flew fairly well. I modified it with a hole in the middle. I got the lift I expected, but it didn't seem to fly smoothly over long distances. But now I've got an idea for a frisbee that should fly really well. I need 2 milk cartons, cut down the middle, on 2 sides next to each other. Then cut away a quarter of the carton, leaving this bit for a tab. Then trim off the ends, and you're left with a shape like this. Then do the same for the other carton. Fold the carton back together, then cut strips about the width of your thumb up to the fold, along the entire length of the carton. Do the same with the other one. Fold it into a triangle, staple the bottom together, then join up the 2 cartons with the tab sticking inside. Staple it so it holds together. And join the circles up, stapling the tabs. And there you have a milk carton frisbee. Cool! Let's see how this one works. Hey! Launch time! Catch it! Give it some spin. Yes! It works brilliantly! It's got the height, distance, and it doesn't wobble.
When you throw a frisbee like this one, the shape is like a spinning wing. The spinning gives it stability, stopping the wobbling. And the wing shape gives it lift as it flies through the air.
Wow! The faster we throw it, the more spin our frisbee gets, and the further it flies. Whoops, maybe there's more work to do on accuracy.